I'm going to show you how to create your OctaFx account, download the app and verify your account and be ready for trading on the Forex platform. So here I am on my Google Play Store. So I'm going to search for the app on the top of the page where it says where the search icon is. So I'm going to search for OctaFx. OctaFx, and here is it, the second one where it says OctaFx trading app. Click on where it says install. And while the app is installing, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, because this video is a video that will show you through how to download the app, and after that my subsequent videos will show you how to make money using this app and even affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video and turn on the bell notification. After the app has downloaded, has been installed, we are going to click on enable. So click on enable and click on open. Now the app is opening, so we can create an account and verify it. It says after access, continue with your Google or with Facebook or email. So I'm going to continue with my email because that's the most secured way to create an account. Click on email and I'm going to put in my first name. Then I'm going to put in my last name. Then my email address and password. And click on I confirm that I am not a US citizen, because right now I'm not in the US, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to click on that. Or if you're residing in the US, you will leave that open. So now because I'm in Nigeria, I'll click on I confirm that I'm not a US citizen, resident or affiliate. Okay, click on sign up. Confirm your email. They're going to send a mail to my inbox, so when I get there I will click on the mail. It has not dropped for some minutes now, so I'm going to click on resend email. Okay, let's check. OctaFx. Okay, this is it. I'm opening my mail to check the confirmation code that was sent to my email. Okay, it's asking me to click on there to confirm my account. Click on confirm from your email address that was sent to you. Okay, it's asking me to sign up, share your personal details to get full access to our services. We will keep your information safe. So my country, I'm in Nigeria once again, so I'm going to search for my country here and enter in there. Nigeria, click on Nigeria, then my phone number. Then my date of birth, starting with the date and month and year. Do you have experience in trading? I'm going to click on no because I don't have experience in trading. We are creating this account from scratch, so no is the option here. Click on no, and the next thing to click on the next step below. This is all set. Welcome to OctaFx. Skip for now. It says to start trading, make a deposit. So right now we are not going to make a deposit. We're going to click on where it says skip for now. It says meet our trade and win loyalty program. With it, you earn one prize lot for one lot traded and can exchange the collected prize lot for hoodies, t-shirts, or top-notch gadgets. So skip this for now is what we're going to do. Click on where it says skip. And here is our account, where my account is $0.00. I've not deposited any amount of money in my OctaFx trading app. So now you know how to create an account on OctaFx. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and like this video. See you in my next video.